how to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you transfer or log in your Instagram account on your another device. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app on your device. Alright, now from here, if you want to transfer or re-login your Instagram account on your another phone, make sure you are on the login page. For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From here, tap on three lines just at the top right. And from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on logout. Alright, tap on logout. And from here, on your another device, you'll have to just log in by using your email, username or mobile number and password over here. After enter your username and password here, tap on the login option to log in your Instagram account on your another device. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.